to view the Cosmopolitan reservation details on MGM Resorts. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open MGM Rewards. In there, go to the Cosmopolitan page. After you're in this page, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply scroll down in here and you will find reservation and check-in option. Click on it. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen. Select your reservation type, add your confirmation number, first name, last name, and press on search reservation. After you press on search reservation, you will find all your reservation details of the Cosmopolitan in here. And this is how to view the Cosmopolitan reservation details on MGM Resorts. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.